Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Eugene Fabian, 34 years old from Philippines. I am single mother of 3 children. I I have 2 daughters and 1 son. Their age is 15 years old, 13 years old, and 9 years old. I am working as domestic helper. I went in Kuwait 3 years ago. My previous job is taking care of a newborn baby. I do the household, cleaning, ironing, and sometimes I cook for baby. Their family members became 5 because my employer gave birth yearly. That's why I take care of 3 kids in my 3 years to them. They have third floor and they have 3 rooms. Because of my end contract, I decided to go home to my country and work in Hong Kong. My previous job is taking care of a newborn baby. I do the household, cleaning, washing, and sometimes I cook for baby. Their family members is 3. Their house have second floor and their room have 3 rooms. My employer decided to early release my contract because she don't have work and no money to pay to my salary. And now, ma'am, sir, I am applying working in Hong Kong. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. I promise to follow your command, your rules and regulations. I applied. I am humble. I am honest. I hope you choose me, ma'am, sir. Thank you and God bless.